I know that the leaders that are supposed to hear my voice is hearing my voice. I am talking to the leader who have been employed by the people to take care of us, Festus Keyamo. Festus Keyamo is in charge of aviation, I think so. If it's not, it's all about travel, and travel is in charge of. Mr. Festus Keyamo, what is happening in Dubai and Nigerian people? I want to ask you this question. This is an aggressive question you should answer the Nigerian people. What is exactly going on in Dubai and Nigeria? If you know Festus Keyamo, please send this message to them. This is a clarion call to all of you who are Nigerian leaders who are not doing right, who don't know what to do. It's only to chase things that are not supposed to chase. The Nigerian people, the Nigerian leaders don't enforce things that they have the right to enforce at the appropriate time. The countries you are better than is now chasing you away, and you have nothing to do. You have spit on your face. You have shown them that you are incapable. And the way you are incapable is the way they have taken you in their affairs. Why are you romancing things, Festus Keyamo? Why are you romancing things? Is it not time for you to revisit what is happening between the Dubai people, Dubai authority, and Nigerian children? Is it not time? Is it not time to take proactive measures? The country have directly called you people weaklings. And you have taken yourself as a weakling by not knowing what to do. I'll give you an instance. When Israeli guys was arrested in Nigeria, what happened? Can you tell me the history of what happened? If you cannot tell me, if you don't remember, because I know you people have short thinking. If you cannot remember, I will remind you what happened when an Israeli, or I think 2 Israelis, was arrested in Nigeria for doing documentary with the southeastern people called Biafrans. Do you know what happened? The Israeli entered Nigeria, and the guys was immediately removed from where they are detained in the police custody back to Israel. That is how a country is supposed to be functioning. Not stealing our money, not embezzling our fund, not paying hugely some fraction of people while others are still suffering and drinking gari. This is how a country that is working should be working. Your president from Nigeria went to Dubai and came back and told us that they have resolved everything with the Dubai government. Only for a second, the Dubai government gave back that what he's saying is not true. They have not resolved anything. Festus Keyamo, if not you, one of the ministers also went to Dubai recently and came back to tell us that the problem the Nigerian people are having in Dubai, that Dubai people are not giving them job anymore, has been resolved. Only for Dubai people to come out and say nothing is well. They stopped your people from working. Your people demand for money from Nigeria here to Dubai in order to eat food, making the economy of Dubai to be rising, while the economy of Nigeria is depreciating. Government of Nigeria from Tinubu, all of you that are in charge with different places you have placed to take care of, don't you know that PayPal have raised ban on Nigeria till today? When we are living in the 21st century, we make transactions from one country to another in the 21st century, and they ban you till today. Still, there is nothing done. Did you know, as a governor of Nigeria, who has his cabinet who are taking care of different things in different ratios and the locations, that you cannot monetize Facebook in Nigeria? Are you aware? Are you aware? If you are not aware, I want to remind you, this government is a government that do not have ears. They don't have eyes to see good things. When in the 21st century, people you cannot give job have made jobs for themselves, and you will not allow that job to become a job for them, so that they will leave the part of government alone and based on their own as entrepreneurs. Many content makers in Nigeria cannot receive money from Facebook when reaching the ratio which the Facebook said they will reach, and they start and they become paid. Do you know that PayPal is not working in Nigeria? What is the cause? What have you done? Do you know you cannot monetize Facebook in Nigeria? Are you aware? If you are not aware, know it now. If you don't know, ask questions, because I know many of you don't even care what is happening. You are there to collect money and embezzle it. Buy cars of $200 million, change tires of $200 million. Why? How long will you continue destabilizing this country? You are called to rule. You are called to serve. What the people need is what you are supposed to do for them. And you people are here waiting for someone who will talk. I will talk because God has told me to talk. There is no job. Up to 75% of lack of job in Nigeria. Still, the places people will make money from, you are not attending to it. Do you know that TikTok is not paying content creators in Nigeria? Except when they are on tap. But the content they make time, they make their money to produce and put in in TikTok. They are not paid, but they are paying other countries. And you kept quiet, giant of Africa. How long will this myopia go out of your eyes? How long will you people be working? Are you people ready only to give us a tax? The one that went to Eldorado, it said it's a cyber tax, cyber levy. Cyber levy is an internet levy, but you cannot attend to us by hitting on paper to release paper so that we'll be using it for transactions here. You cannot hit on Facebook for Facebook to release us to be monetizing our channels here. You cannot talk to TikTok that TikTok will start paying any content creator. How long will this continue to happen in our society? And you said you are leading the people. Where are you leading us to? Are you leading us to hellfire on life? When we are still alive, you are leading us to hellfire. What is happening? The people now is flexing Moscow. We will protest. If they protest, you and the other people who are in Nigeria will hear it. It is you people that will hear it. The House of Assembly, all of you that are in authority, the people are angry about you. If you know how to quell this thing, quell it now. If you know how to stop this mess, stop it now. Because if this rain fall, the rain will beat the cow and beat the person chasing it. This is where I tell people raw truth. If you like, take it. If you don't like, leave it. There is still time of acceptance. Work towards what is coming on. It will be very grave. It will be very grievous. No one will survive it. Don't let people call you weak people. That is all. Don't let people call you weak people. The people that called you weak, their aircraft is landing here carrying millions of our money, living here and ban our people from working, ban our people from even walking, going around the streets. Even from here to there, you no longer get, and you still allow them to come to our country and continue eating from us. This is an impunity. Rise up. Rise up.